We are in Feeding Hills here in 115 Southwest Street. It is Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Maria, why don't you go show us around?
All right, let's go.
All right, and come in, show us the kitchen and dining room area first.
Yes, nice open flow to the kitchen featuring nice stainless steel appliances, granite counters,
So down the hall, we have a full bath.
with a tiled walk-in shower.
Yeah, that really looks nice. The bathrooms here in this place are great.
Third bedroom could be guest bedroom, could be your office, whatever you need it for.
All right, we're gonna go around the corner to the living room. We have
A beautiful picture window, lots of natural light, and a cozy fireplace.
great. All right, take us upstairs. There we've got how many more bedrooms?
2 more bedrooms upstairs. The closets are amazing. 2 huge double closets. We got hardwood floors in one of the bedrooms and carpeting in the other.
Nice full bathroom upstairs as well.
Brand new septic system just installed. We got an amazing above ground pool. This yard is absolutely fabulous. It's just over an acre lot.
If you'd like a private showing of this place, hit Maria up. Her information is on the screen. If you'd like financing options as well, hit me up. Let's talk some details. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, Feeding Hills. Thanks for having us. We're out of here.